Hello students, I am Arshita, your maths lecturer. Today let us discuss about the MCQ question of class 10th from the chapter polynomials. So let us see the question, that is, if alpha and beta are the roots of 4x square plus 3x plus 7 equal to 0, then value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is. So let us solve this question by comparing the given polynomial with the general quadratic polynomial. The given polynomial is of the quadratic one. So let us compare this polynomial with the general form of the quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and the given polynomial is 4x square plus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. Now, by comparing the values, we are going to get a equals to 4, b equals to 3 and c equals to 7. And we know that the sum of the roots is given by alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b by a, and the product of roots, that is equal to c by a. Okay, now we need to find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. This can be also solved by doing cross multiplication, that is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, which is equal to beta plus alpha divided by alpha into beta. This can be also written as alpha plus beta divided by alpha into beta. Now we need to find the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, and this can be found by knowing the values of A, B, C. So, the value of B is equal to 3, that is, and the value of A equals to 4, the value of alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus 3 by 4, and the value of alpha into beta, that is equal to 7 by 4. Now, by substituting the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta in that expression, this will be equal to the value of alpha plus beta, which is nothing but minus 3 by 4, and value of alpha into beta, that is equal to 7 by 4. This can be also written as minus 3 by 4 into 4 by 7, and 4 and 4 get cancelled, and this is equal to minus 3 by 7. So, what is the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta? And the answer is minus 3 by 7. That is option B, minus 3 by 7. Thank you students, and more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.